Hello and welcome to another problem solving session. There are 7 problems and most of these problems are from the previous year's question papers, so they are going to be important. First one is C6H13BrO2. So the first foremost thing is you have to find out the sites of unsaturation. So C6H14, I am just substituting Br with H, so this is exactly equal to, so this is going to be a saturated compound. Now this indicates 1120 and 1060 indicates C single bond O stretching frequency. That means the oxygen has to be in the form of ether linkage. Now the next part, that is proton NMR. Proton NMR LCM is 6. So you have to simply divide all these integrations with 6. So 6 to 8, 4, 13, 13 is the number. So this number should tally with the given proton number. 6 proton triplet. So this is going to be 2 ethyl groups. Your 6 proton means 2 methyls. So having methylene as the neighbor because multiplicity is given as triplet. 2 proton doublet, this means it is CH2 having CH as a neighbor. So we are talking about this CH2. Then this is exactly the counterpart of the earlier group, ethyl group. Now here one more thing one can add. Quartet at 3.55 means this is attached to oxygen. 4.7 triplet 1 proton, this is CH which is having CH2 as a coupling partner. So these are the templates. So 2 ethoxy groups are there, 1 CH2 is also there, and of course Br also we have to accommodate it. So I am just putting this structure. 2 oxygens we have to account for, and of course on the other side also it will be same. So 6 proton triplet, 4 proton quartet, triplet for this and doublet for CH2. So this is the overall structure of the molecule, wherein the ether linkages are explained. This 3.3 for 2 proton is this one, because this CH2 having Br directly attached to it, and moreover it also fails the inductive effect from these 2 oxygens, so it is slightly deshielded. CH is 4.7, that is expected. Okay. Now the second example, C15H14O. This is probably the conjugated carbonyl because it is slightly deshielded or slightly low filled than the normal carbonyl stretching frequency. C15H32 minus C15H14, 9 sites of unsaturation. So lot of unsaturation is there in the molecule. 6 proton singlet, probably 2 methyl groups which are isolated. Then this probably is 2 para disubstituted rings. So 2 rings means 8 sides, 1 side for carbonyl. So if I put the things together, this is carbonyl which is having extended conjugation from both the side, that is why it is 1680. 6 hydrogens, those are 2 methyls which are directly attached to ring, and 9 sides of unsaturation, 4 here, 4 here, and this is the 9th one. Next problem, C9H10O3. C9H10O3, once again sites of unsaturation we have to find out. C9H20, C9H10, 10 hydrogens are missing, so 5 sites of unsaturation. 3400 is probably OH stretching, I will put this way, that is frequency. 1680 is once again maybe carbonyl group. Moving on to proton NMR, 7.8 doublet, 1 proton, 7 1 proton, then 6.5 and 5.8. This looks like OH, this is exchangeable. These 3 are the aromatic protons. So this looks like now some more details are there. This is probably OCH3 attached to aromatic ring this way. This is ArCH3. So 2 groups are there, OCH3 and ArCH3, and carbonyl is also there. So we have to put the things together. There are 3 aromatic protons in seen, so that means it is a tri-substituted ring. Conjugated, this is 3.9, this is 1680 because it is conjugated. Then CH3, and one more thing is there, that is OH. So OH also we have to account for. OH is explained, 1680 is explained, most of these things are explained. Now the positions of proton, that is important. This is 6.5 because it is ortho to both donors. This is ortho to one, para to another, so that is next value 7, and this is 7.8, mutually coupled, so coupling constant is 8. This is 5.8 because it is exchangeable, and 3.9 and 2.3 all are explained. So that is the structure. It is tri-substituted aromatic ring which is taking care of 5 sides of unsaturation, 4 because of this ring, 5th is because of the ester which is outside the ring. Okay. Now the next example, that is C10H12O, yeah, this is probably ester. C10H22 minus C10H12, 10 hydrogens are missing, so 5 sides of unsaturation for this molecule. Higher we have explained. This is probably ArCH3. This is monosubstituted ring. Triplet, 2 protons, that is CH2, which has CH2 next to it. This is once again CH2, which is having CH2 next to it. So 6 carbon, 7, 8, 9, and ester is the 10th one. Ester or ketone, 17. This only one oxygen is there, so it can't be ester. It has to be a ketone, probably a saturated ketone. So this is, instead of this, it can be COCH3 also, because 2.1 is more closer to COCH3. So we have to see the structure: CH3 CO, CH2 CH2, and then the aromatic ring. Triplet, triplet, singlet, and this everything is 7.2 multiplet. Amongst these two, 2.8 is this, 2.75 is this one. So mutually coupled. So if coupling constant is given, it is fine. Nothing is given, still it is okay. Now the next example, C9H12O. No band above 3100, that means OH is absent. No band in 1650 and 2000, that means carbonyl is also absent. So that means the oxygen has to be in the form of ether linkage. 3 proton triplet, I will just put it here. 3 proton triplet is CH3 having CH2 as its neighbor. On the contrary, this is also suggesting the CH2 having CH3 but having oxygen. Then 5 proton means it is monosubstituted ring, and this is CH2 which is isolated. So many things are there. We have to just put the structure together. So there are 2 possibilities. I am just putting one possibility here. 1 CH2 CH3, triplet, quartet, singlet. I think only 4 signals are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. This is 7.2, the ordinary aromatic ring, and this is 4.4 because this is flanked by oxygen and phenyl ring on either side. This is 3.5, and obviously this is 1.15. The inductive effect of oxygen is also felt by the methyl, so it is slightly deshielded from 0.9 to 1.15. Now the 6th example, C7H12O4. Now this looks like ester, carbonyl. C7H16, C7H12, 4 hydrogens are missing. So 2 sides of unsaturation, that much we can derive from the molecular formula. And 1742 suggests the ester carbonyl. This is CH2 probably isolated. I'll just put isolated here. 6 proton CH3 CH2 and probably O, and this is the repeat of the same. Only thing is we are talking about OCO because of the reverse conjugation. This is going at 4.16 delta. That is the information one can derive from this chemical shift value. So, we have to account for all these things. So, 2 esters are there. So, let me put 2 ester groups on either side, CH2 CH3. Then this is isolated CH2. So, let it be sandwiched between 2 carbonyl. So, this is 4.16, this is 2.6, which and this is 1.3. Of course, symmetrical molecule. So, this part is also going to be the same. So, this is the overall picture: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 carbons. 4 oxygens are also accommodated, and 1742 the ester carbonyl is also justified. So, this is the structure of the molecule. Now, one more example is there, we will see that. C11H10O4. So, C11H24, C11H14, 7 sites of unsaturation. C11H10, okay. LCM 1, 4 is LCM, 1, 1, 1, 2 and 3, 10 hydrogens, 3.96 probably OCH3. 2 proton probably OH groups, 3, 4 aromatic protons. This looks like CHO. Higher detail is not given, so we cannot give less. 7 sides one have to explain. Four, 5, 6 oxygens, 1, 2, 3. One more is there. Mm. 16 and 8. Yeah. So, 2 aromatic protons are seen to olefinic proton. Now this is 16 hertz. This is 8 hertz because they are mutually coupled, and this is also taken as 8 hertz. 4, 5, 6 and 7 sides of unsaturation. This is slightly deshielded, but this looks very close, so that is the structure. Next time I will get some simple questions, so that we can revise so many things, and probably we will do the examples wherein UV, IR and proton NMR data is given, so that you can get some information regarding the functionalities. Only proton NMR means functional group you have to manipulate, but that kind of thing we do not want. We want clear things. Now these are questions from earlier question papers, so I cannot change them, but I will make some questions which will be more helpful for your exam. Okay. Thank you very much.